Dear students, I am going to tell you something about the way to solve the sum. For that, first thing is look at the sum. Second thing, find out hint that is present inside it. Then start doing. For that, I am taking an example, and that is for example, y is equal to tan inverse x square plus x plus 1 plus tan inverse 1y x square plus 3x plus 3 plus tan inverse 1y x square plus 5x plus 7 plus dot 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 plus 2 interns. Now we have to find out derivatives. This is the sum of differentiation. Now how do you solve it? For that, what is the hint inside the sum? Just I told you before writing these sums about hint. Now find out what is the hint inside the sum. This is the sum of tan inverse. We know that for solving. We know that tan inverse
बहुत कर दिया
tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB is equal to tan inverse A minus tan inverse B. On the basis of this formula, we can solve this sum. And this is the hint inside the sum. And so,
रख दिया
let T1 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x square plus x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x into x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse.
don't write that part, that's on the spot after that yes
is equal to tan inverse x plus 1 tan inverse x plus 1 minus x by 1 plus x into x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse x plus 1 minus tan inverse x. Similarly, T2 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x square plus 3x plus 3, which can be written as tan inverse 1 by x square plus 3x plus 2 plus 1. Can be written as tan inverse 1 by x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 1 by x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x plus 2 into x plus 1, which can be written as tan inverse x plus 2 minus x plus 1 by 1 plus x plus 2 x plus 1 is equal to tan inverse x plus 2 minus tan inverse x plus 1. Similarly, Tm can be written as tan inverse x plus n minus tan inverse x plus n minus 1.
Do I pause it? Go. It's started. You can take another thing.
On adding,
Take this. We need to simply.
on adding T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus dot 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 plus Tn is equal to tan inverse x plus n minus tan inverse x. Y is equal to this. Therefore, dy by dx can be written as 1 by 1 plus x plus n whole square minus 1 by x square.
Speak in English. It's already recorded.
Yes, 1 by 1 plus x plus 1 by x, yes, yes. It's complete.
Wait.